Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to Anika's channel. So today I'm going to show you how I clean up my eyebrows during this quarantine days, and without further ado, let's get started. So I will be showing you two techniques you guys can use. One is using this Flawless Brows. It's a pen. It has a tip. It does look like this. For 18K gold plated. It's really easy to use it. To be honest, I used it like a couple times and it's really precise and nice. It's easy to use it. And another one I'm going to use, it's a small I don't know what does it call it, razor or something, but yeah, you can just use this one or that one. I will be showing you guys for that. So for my left eye I will use this, and for my right eye I will use this, and I will see how it's gonna work. Then we can judge on it, right? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some oil to make it a little smooth to work on. And yeah, if it's really dry, my brow area is always dry. I have no idea why, but it's always dry. So I'm gonna do that, let it sink into my face. And so it comes in a very cool package and looks really fancy. It comes with a battery and also a cleaner with it. And if I take it off, this is how it looks. A pen, basically a pen. And open it, that's the tip. If you guys can see it, it's very nice and precise. And here's the button, you guys can turn it on and off. Okay, it's all nice and set. Turn it on. Wow, it's very clean and nice. You guys can see, comparing to this one, I didn't even touch it, but this and that, it's nice and clean. You guys can see the difference. Oh, see the difference? It's looking very nice and clean. So let's go for the next one. So for this one, I'm first gonna use the tweezer, and I'm just going to take some of these excess. It's looking nice and clean. So what I'm gonna do is first, let's open it. I didn't even use this. I just bought it yesterday. Oh, it's a very cool packaging. It just comes in this small bag. You can take it out. Ooh. Okay. It's nice. I'm gonna use the red one. I'm a big fan of red color. So, wow, sharp. So it's really picking up on those. it's looking very clean and nice. So if I'm comparing to this and that, both are looking pretty nice and clean. Did pick up a lot of dirtness or whatever you want to say. It's good. I'm going to put some more of the oil and moisturize it. Hope I didn't cut myself. Oh god. Hope I didn't cut myself anywhere. It's looking very nice and clean. Just giving it a close look. Both are very good, I would say. So it depends on you which one you guys are more comfortable with. I would go with the this one because I personally don't like to use any kind of razors. It just scares me when I'm trying to do something all by my own. If someone else is doing it, it's fine, but when I try to do it all by my own, it's a little scary for me. So I think it's all good. So now I'm going to do my brows. So first, what I'm going to do is I am going to comb and I'm going to put all of my hairs on place. Okay, it's all nice and looking good. So first, I'm using the Total Temptation by Maybelline. The shade is 310, it's medium brown. First, what I'm going to do is draw a line. Then draw another line on top. Both are looking nice and alike. Now what I'm going to do is going to fill that in, but I'm starting right from the middle and going very light hand when I'm reaching towards the making part of my eyebrows, where my eyebrow starts. So starting in the middle, going a little deep that side, and very light-handed front of my eyebrows, basically. So, yep. Now I'm gonna go back with the spoolie, if I can find it. The spoolie, so just going to comb and blend, basically. Making sure it's all looking nice and natural. Yep, and it's a little right here. So yeah. So after this, if I think I want to go a little deeper, so I'm just going to add some more. But if I think this is looking good, that's how I want to keep it, I'm just going to leave it like that. But now I'm just going over very light-handed and like making sure all the sparse areas are filled in and looking nice. Today I'm going to use the Laura Mercier concealer, and I'm gonna add some right here. This concealer is very close to my skin tone, so I like to use it when I'm going very natural and nice. Yeah. after doing that, I am going to go over with a beauty blender, and I'm just going to go over with the beauty blender just to make sure all the creams are nice and blended. It's all on the place and it's all looking nice. So ta-da! This is how you guys can do your eyebrows, and I think I personally prefer it like this way. It's very easy and it's very quick to do it, and most of the time I don't even add any concealer, unlike under my brow bone or on top of it. It just looks good without that. But yeah, if you guys are wondering, you guys can clean with some concealer and it will look very nice and beautiful. So let me just add something on my face, like some makeup on my face, and I am coming back. Alright, so I'm back. I just added some concealer around my eyes and around my mouth, and I used this NYX lip pencil, just put it on my lips, that's it. And I hope you all have enjoyed watching this, and don't forget to try this out and also let me know what you guys think about it. And yeah, I think that's all for you guys. If you have any questions or anything you want to know, don't forget to let me know. You guys can comment it on the comment box below. And yeah, also my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and all the new viewers, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.